Hi, this is regarding the jackdoor that Creative Juice sent me. One thing to do with his and one thing to do with me. It got nuts in the eyes here, which, yeah, look cool. But last night I was just playing with a couple of beads. They're not metal. I don't know if you can get metal ones that size, I presume you can. So I just put those in. You can still see a bit of pen on there. I don't know where that's come from. I'm going to have to sand that off. Sorry about that. Yeah, anyway, so that's that. But how the hell... I mean... This is me having a go now. And there's already 3 layers there for the beak. You see the beak on his. Okay, I'll get on with the beak. But this, around the eye... I think I've worked it out, but friggin' hell, I'm going to struggle with it, so we'll see how far we get. Yeah, trying to make a jackdaw, same as Creative Juice, John. Or my interpretation of one. Right, I'm really stretching my skills here. Well, skills I didn't even think I'd got. Looking at the way he's making things, making these jackdaws and trying to work it out. It works that intricate and fine and fiddly. You should be making jewellery. Just to create like the cheek on the jackdaw's face, that was awkward. That was so awkward. I figured out how to get the nuts in. What I did, I got the first one in and then ran a bolt straight through the back with one on that side, so it'll to the other side, level them out, so I'd have them level. That just came to me. But this cheek bit, it's so hard. Yeah, well done you. You're giving me a whole new level to aim at, which is a good thing if I can do it. Right, back to it. Let's see how far I get on the next video. If anybody out there thinks this stuff's easy, never use the word easy, because it offends people like me, because it's not bloody easy. It's far from it. So when you look at a piece of this work, don't think, oh, that's a nice jackdaw, that's got to be worth a £5. I don't think so. Think about the bloody hours that go into it and things like that. I mean, jeez. Anyway, you give me something to think about, which is good. Right, I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, whether you do or you don't. Cheers, have a good day.